Hey, welcome to another segment that we call a minute in the boardroom. This is the boardroom of the company where I'm one of the directors. This is a section where we talk about things that I think will help you in your career, business advice and things like that. One of the things I want to really talk about, that was really on my heart, that I wanted to share in this minute in the boardroom, is service. Now, ever since I've been in management, you'll always have staff come to you and they'll say, Denzil, I'd like a pay rise, get it. The one thing I always say to staff is that if you want to earn more money, tell me what you're going to give me in return. Unfortunately, too many times, staff, or people in general will want to be able to earn more without giving anything back. The one thing I'd say is if you want to progress in your career, offer more service. You want to get that promotion, offer more service. You want your business to grow, offer more service. That is the rule and the principle of success in anything. If you want to grow economically, you have to grow in the level of service that you give. Unfortunately, too many of us want to be able to offer no service or little service or the same service but get paid more. That doesn't work. That's not the way the equilibrium works. You have to be able to give more, and then people want to give you back more because of the extra service that you're giving. So listen, if you're really trying to drive in your career and you're like, why am I only earning 20,000? Because the level of service that you give equates to 20,000. But if you want to earn 100,000 a year, then you have to say to yourself, do you give £100,000 worth of service? And no different in your business. If you want your business to flourish, say to yourself, is the service that I am offering equate to the value that I'm charging? If not, people won't pay because they won't see the value of your service. So listen, if you want to grow, if you want to go to the next level, you have to offer a higher level of service. If you don't do that, you won't grow. So listen, that's a minute in the boardroom. I know it's worked for me. It's a principle that I have taken on board and run with, and that's what's seen me earn more, that's seen me keep promoted, that's seen me properties, business, all kinds of things. The reason I've won because I've always given more. It was a principle my dad always said to me as well. If you want to be promoted, give the level of service at the level that you're expecting to go. So if you're a non-management individual, but you want to become a manager, offer the level of service a manager would. And then before you know it, somebody will reward you with that promotion. If you want more clients, give them more service that people say, why on earth are you not using company A when their level of service is higher? So listen, that was a quick snippet from a minute in the boardroom with me, Denzil, from GenHope, founder, investor, entrepreneur. If you have questions that you'd like me to answer from the boardroom, around career, around business, even around finance, hit me up and I will ensure to answer your questions. Listen, be blessed, go out there and be the best that you can be. Bye-bye.